Hi, I'm Kimberly Patterson, and today I'm taking you behind the scenes to show how I create a standout unboxing experience for every candle I ship. It's more than just packing a box. It's branding, it's presentation, and honestly, it's a little bit of magic. Step 1, brand the inside of the lid. Let's start with the lid. I always engrave the inside. That way, when a customer lights their candle, they'll always know exactly where it came from and how to find me again. Subtle, polished, and on-brand. I clean every candle with rubbing alcohol, so eliminate any fingerprints. Step 2, wrapped in clear film with purpose. Each candle gets wrapped in the clear protective film it arrived in. But before I seal it up, I put my candle care sticker on the bottom of my vessel. Then I seal it with a branded label. This is the only label I ever use. No sticker clutter on my vessels. But here's why this matters. If a candle breaks in transit, that film keeps the glass contained. It's only happened once in a box of 12, and the client thanked me because everything else arrived perfectly. Adding this step elevates the boxing experience and keeps the crinkle paper from getting into the candle itself. No worries that additional fingerprints will get on my candle either. Sturdy, gift-ready boxes. I use gift-worthy boxes from Uline or Amazon. My go-to is 6x6x6, which fits both 8-ounce and 14-ounce candles. If it's a full gift box with extras like matches and a vase, I size up. These aren't just shipping boxes, they're part of the experience. Step 4, crinkle paper is my secret weapon. Crinkle paper adds protection and that ooh factor when you open the box. I use blue year-round, it's my signature color, and switch to red during the holidays. It only costs me about 30 cents per box, and it makes a big difference. Step 5, laminated thank you and candle care cards. I include a double-sided card, a branded thank you on one side and candle care tips on the other. Printed on photo paper and laminated. Because let's face it, people keep pretty things. Step 6, a QR code labeled just for them. On my thermal printer, I make a label that says something special for you. It includes a QR code that links directly to my shop. Designed in Canva, it adds that personal, thoughtful touch that makes people feel seen. Step 7, tape it tight and mark it fragile. Last step, everything gets taped securely, and I add fragile stickers to the sides of the box. It's clean, professional, and ensures that what arrives feels like a gift, not just a delivery. Every step is intentional. From the engraved lid to the final tape, my goal is to make sure our customer opens that box and says, "Wow, I love this." Thanks for watching. If you want more tips on elevating your candle business, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along here on The Candle Artist Way, and please request videos you would like to see in the comments below. Need a recommendation for what to watch next? Check out one of our playlists. I have put together an engraving playlist and sublimation playlist. Are you frustrated with testing candles and need a candle recipe? We have those too. Be inspired and see you next time on The Candle Artist Way, where we glow differently.